Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox and give you my first impressions on the LG Wing. But before I do this, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Do not adjust your screens. That is the LG Wing. I decided to pick this up from Tmobile. It's $999. Actually, Tmobile has it for sale is $999, and then you can get one free with 24 bill credits. So if you're switching over to Tmobile or you had Tmobile, you want two of these phones, you can actually get it from Tmobile and get one free. In this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing, show you what you get in the box. Also go over the specs and then just start up the phone and give you my first look at it or first impressions of the phone. The Wing. It's just a plain simple box. LG, life is good. And then it has more details down there. All right, so let's get into the box. For some reason, I cannot find my trusty unboxing knife. So a pair of scissors will work. Oh. So at the top, you have the phone itself. Bam, LG Wing. It's swivel mode. It has some of the specs on there too. So you get a SIM card. You get the LG Promise. You get some books and the SIM card slot remover. Then you get the charging brick and the USB Type-C cable. What is in here? Oh, look at LG. They give you a dongle. Look at that. Other OEMs need to do that too. So that's what you get in the box. No headphones or anything like that, but you do get the dongle. I will put this on the side because we all came for the phone itself. Look, the Aurora gray. Let's remove the sticker. All right, so what y'all think about that gray? Man, it is shiny. Let's see if it has some power. While it's starting up, let's go over the phone. So you have the power button, the volume rockers up and down. At the bottom, you have the charging port, speaker, microphone. At the top, we will talk about this in a minute. You have a front pop-up camera, microphone. Let's see if I have any more juice. All right, so the phone started up. Let's go over the specs really quick, and then we can get into the main part of why this phone is so special. So the front display is a 6.8-inch full HD OLED panel. Then once you swivel it up, you have a 3.9 OLED panel too, which I will show you in a minute. It comes with 256 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM. It does have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It has a Snapdragon 765G processor in there. And then on the front, you have a 32 megapixel pop-up camera. So yes, it pops up from the frame itself. All right, so the rear camera, you have a 64 megapixel camera. Then you also have a 13 megapixel wide angle camera, which LG is known for. At the bottom, you have a 12 megapixel, if they call it a hexamotion, it's basically like a gimbal on the phone because the bottom screen becomes a gimbal and the camera actually acts like a gimbal. Which, stay tuned, I will have a camera test coming up. Let me go ahead and put my information in here, start the phone up, and then we can do something that y'all really want to do. But let me do that in the first place. Watch this, y'all. What? Did y'all just hear that? I could do this all day. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all keep on sleeping on LG. Y'all just keep on, what is that? man. But let me go ahead and put my information in. I'll come back and we can talk a little bit more. Okay, everyone, so I was able to go ahead and set up the phone. Look at that beautiful display. This display looks really good for being 1080p. But I haven't set up all the apps, but let's do the main reason why everybody wants the Wing. Just watch this. Watch how cool this is. Watch. Look how cool that is. Oh my God. What other phone can actually do that right now? Look, I even set up so I can have Google Feed and then also YouTube at the top. So you can set that up in the settings, but just, man. There's no way of shutting it with one hand though. You can open it. Isn't that just cool? That is so freaking cool, y'all. But let's go over the phone a little bit more too. While I have it in my hands now. The back does attract fingerprints. But look how, it is a thick phone though. You see a little gap in between the main display and the phone itself. Look at the camera. Look, the camera hump is a little big. The back is curved and also the front has a little bit of curve to it. But man, stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming up. I'm gonna go test out the cameras and I'm gonna do a camera test with it. I might even do a tip video. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me with the LG Wing. Like I said earlier, people are sleeping on LG. Y'all keep on sleeping on LG because I'm gonna keep on buying their phones. As you can see, the Velvet's right there. I have my V60 downstairs. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna definitely have more coverage on the LG Wing. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see from me also. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for more coverage on the LG Wing. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And I gotta do this one more time, y'all. I'm not going to lie. I've been waiting to do this since I seen this. What other phone can do that? Like, look, just wait. How many other phones you can do say that can actually do that? That is cool. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.